Hey guys, there's one habit that you're probably doing right now that's silently wrecking your mental clarity. It's not stress, it's not your diet, it's something a little sneakier than that. A 2022 study found that this habit cuts cognitive performance by up to 20% in men. If you want to know what it is and how to stop it, stick with me. I'll share a simple fix plus a free resource to keep your mind sharp. Hey guys, if you want a simple way to put all of this together, I made a free clarity map. It's the exact framework that I use to keep my thinking clear when life starts getting kind of crazy. You can grab it free. The link is either down in the description below or pinned in the comments. So, the big reveal, what's the habit? Chronic multitasking. You're checking emails while on a call, you're scrolling X during dinner, you're thinking about bills while working, right? A 2019 Stanford study found multitasking reduces your brain's efficiency by 40% and increases mental fatigue. Men in their 30s are especially prone, with 68% reporting they juggle multiple tasks daily per a 2021 study. It's not just slowing you down, it's frying your brain's ability to think clearly. Now here's why it's so bad. Your brain isn't built to multitask. A 2020 neuroimage study showed switching tasks creates attention residue. Your brain keeps thinking about the last thing you did, reducing focus on the current thing that you're trying to do. This spikes stress hormones by 15%, and over time, it fogs your thinking. If you ever wondered why you feel drained by noon, multitasking is stealing your mental energy. Now the fix, monotasking blocks. Pick one task, get a timer for 25 minutes, and focus only on that. No phone, no tabs, no distractions. A 2021 study found 25-minute focus blocks boost clarity by 30% and cut stress in half. So start small, try it for one task a day, like writing a report or planning your week. If you do this, you'll notice that you're going to start crushing it and not feeling fried. To make monotasking stick, prep your environment. Silence notifications. Research from 2022 shows phone alerts cut focus by 25%. Tell coworkers and family you're in the zone for 25 minutes. And then track your wins. A 2020 study says logging progress boosts habit formation by 50%. You'll feel sharper and you'll get more done. Multitasking is killing your clarity, but monotasking can bring it back. Would you like a free clarity kickstart guide with monotasking templates and more? Lucky for you, you can grab it down in the link below. Also, drop a comment. Are you a multitasker, and are you ready to try this, the monotasking? Also, like and subscribe for more ways to sharpen your mind, and I'll catch you in the next video.